It took just 45 seconds. 45 seconds to take jewelry and diamonds reportedly worth $1 million from an Indian-owned jewelry store in New Jersey. Navlakha Jewelers in New Jersey was targeted by a group of robbers who moved with extraordinary speed. 6 people were reportedly involved in this theft. 4 entered the store, others remained outside. The attackers used hammers and smashed through the jewelry display. And before anybody had time to fully understand what was happening there, they were gone. 45 seconds. That is all it took those thieves here. Thankfully, nobody was reportedly injured, but financially, if we see, the damage was a lot. And for an immigrant owned business, the emotional impact goes far beyond the value of jewelry. The co owner, Sonu Chauhan, had reportedly come to America in 2007. He worked in IT before using his saving to build the jewelry business. Think about that journey. You come to America, you work, you save, you take a risk, you invest your money, you build a consumer base, you create a business, and slowly that business becomes part of your identity. Then suddenly, a group of criminals, they enter and destroy that sense of security in less than a minute. And this is why stories about immigrant businesses are often about much more than crime. They are stories about American dream. For many immigrants, entrepreneurship becomes a second chapter. They may arrive as engineers, IT professionals, doctors, students, but eventually they want to create something of their own. Maybe a restaurant, a grocery store, business of jewelry, a tech company, consulting firm, medical practice, it can be anything. And these businesses often become family assets. They provide employment, they serve ethnic community, they become places where generations of customers, they return. So when a business like this is targeted, the loss is not simply inventory, it is confidence. And there is another challenge here. Jewelry is a particularly attractive target because the products are highly valuable and relatively easy to move. That means criminals can potentially cause a lot of financial damage in a very short period of time. For business owners, that means security becomes a constant calculation: cameras, alarms, security guards, insurance, employee safety. But no security system can eliminate every risk, right? And that is why the most important part of the story is still the fact that no one was reportedly physically injured. Jewelry can be replaced, money can be recovered through insurance, a business can rebuild, but a human life, it cannot. So, for the Indian American community, this is also a reminder of the risk that comes with building businesses in a new nation. The American dream is real, I do agree with that, but protecting that dream is also part of the journey. And now, from protecting your business, we move to protecting something even more fundamental. Well, we are talking about your citizenship here.